Hello, let me introduce you our weight sense vending machine. Let's take a closer look at the machine. There are 2 fridges in the machine. Each fridge has 5 shelves, and in each shelf you can put on one kind of product, and each shelf has a price tag. On the top of the machine there is a 22-inch screen. The machine is with cooling system. It can keep 2 to 20 degrees centigrade. Let me show you how to buy from the machine. First step is to scan the QR code, and the door will be opened. You can take whatever you want from the shelf. What had been taken will be shown on the screen. If you want to put something back, it is also okay. After selecting, you can just close the door and go. The money will be deducted from your WeChat account.